Hi everyone, welcome to Bharti Yoga. I'm Bharti. Today we are going to do a beginner-friendly yoga practice that will give you a full body stretch and release and make you feel great. So once you are ready, let's hop onto the mat and get going. Let us come into an easy cross-legged sitting position. We'll start with a centering practice to relax ourselves and arrive on the mat. So let's bring one hand on the belly, one on the chest, and gently close our eyes. Take a deep breath in and slowly exhale out. Again, inhale deeply, feeling the expansion in your belly. Exhale slowly, feeling the belly softening and coming back in. Inhale deeply. Exhale slowly, relaxing the entire body. Inhale. Exhale slowly and relax. Inhale and exhale completely. Bring both hands at heart center in Namaskar Mudra, and we'll start the practice with an Om chant. Inhale. Let's start rubbing the palms to create heat in the palms. Gently place the palms over the eyelids. Slowly bring the hands down and open your eyes, and let's start the practice now. Let's bring both the hands on either sides of the hips. As you inhale, extend both the arms up, interlacing the fingers and stretch up, looking up towards the hands. Exhale, slowly bring the hands down, bringing chin to chest, looking down. Inhale, extend the arms up, stretching up. Exhale, bring them down. Last time. Inhale, stretch up, looking up for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and release. Bring both the hands behind the back, interlacing the fingers. Inhale, stretch the arms back, opening the chest. Exhale, fold forward, bringing the forehead closer to the mat or the ground, extending the arms back for 3, 2, 1, and slowly come back to center. Let's bring both the hands on the knees and drop the head towards the left side. We are going to roll it back, take it to the right, and roll it forward. Let's do 5 rolls in this direction. Breathing into any tightness in the neck. Inhale back. Exhale forward. Last one. Inhale back. Exhale forward. And let's reverse. Last one. And come back to center. Now let's walk the right hand towards the right side, and we are going to extend the left arm up and bend towards the right, looking up towards the ceiling, getting a nice stretch along the left side of the body. Try to keep the left hip grounded in the mat, so don't let it lift up. Keep it down, getting a nice stretch along the left side for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and come back. Other side. Extend towards the left side. Taking the right arm up, bending towards the left, looking up towards the ceiling, keeping chest open, right hip grounded into the mat for 5, 4, keep breathing, 3, 2, 1, and come back. Now bring the right hand on the left knee, take the left hand behind. Inhale, lengthen the spine. Exhale, twist, looking back over the left shoulder. Keep the spine long. Keep breathing for 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Other side, left hand on the right knee, right hand behind. Inhale, lengthen, exhale, twist. Looking back over the right shoulder for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and come back. Let's bring both the hands behind the hips, and we are going to push into the hands and knees and lift the hips up, coming into a back bend. Staying here for another 5 counts. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and come back. Now let's again walk the hands forward, coming into a forward fold, trying to keep the hips grounded on the mat behind you. For 5, 4, keep walking the hands forward. 3, 2, 1. We are going to walk the hands toward the right side, getting a stretch along the left side. For 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's walk the hands to the left side. Staying here. For 5, keep pressing the right shoulder down. 4, 3, 2, 1. Come back to center and walk the hands back. Now let's extend both the legs in front, and let's just flap the knees up and down, tapping them on the mat, relaxing the thighs and the calf muscles. Lovely. You can shake them out side to side as well. And let's just start rotating the ankles in clockwise direction for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and reverse for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and relax. Now from here we are going to bend both the knees. Bring both the hands behind the hips, and we are going to lift the hips up, coming into reverse tabletop. So lift the hips up. You can let your head drop back. Keep pushing the hips up. Staying here for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and slowly bring the hips down. Let's hug both the knees and bring our nose or forehead closer to the knees. Getting a stretch along the spine, rounding the spine. For 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and relax. Now staying here, let's take the left hand behind the hips, and we are going to bring the right elbow on the outside of the left knee and come into a twist, looking back over the left shoulder. Here, make sure you are not pushing the knees to the right. So knees stay centered. You can bring the feet in and get into this twist. Staying here for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 and release. Let's do it on the other side. Take the right hand behind. Inhale, extend the left arm up, bringing the left elbow on the outside of the right knee. Twist, looking back for 5. Keep pushing the right shoulder back, left shoulder forward. 4, 3, 2, 1 and release. Extend both the legs forward. We are going to inhale, lengthen the spine, extending the arms up. Exhale, fold forward, coming into Paschimottanasana. Inhale, lengthen the spine. Exhale, fold forward. It's okay if you can't go all the way down. Just focus on maintaining the length in the spine. You can have a gentle bend in the knees if you need to. Staying here for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 and slowly come back. Getting into another twist from here. So keeping the legs extended, we'll take both the hands towards the back from the left side. Inhale, and we are going to come down, getting a nice twist in the lower back this time. Staying for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 and come back. Other side. Bring both the hands behind from the right side. Inhale, exhale. Try to go lower. Make sure you are not lifting your hips, so both the hips stay grounded on the mat. 3, 2, 1 and come back. Lovely. Now let's bring both the feet together, coming in butterfly pose or Titli Asana, and let's just flap the knees up and down for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale, lengthen the spine. Exhale, fold forward. Trying to maintain the length in the spine. Gently pressing the knees down. Getting a stretch in the inner thighs, groin area, lower back. And come back up. Great. Now from here, we are going to extend both the legs out, coming into a wide-legged stance. And we are going to turn towards the right side. Inhale, lengthen the spine. Exhale, fold forward. Bringing the chin closer to the right shin. Staying for 5. Keep walking the hands forward. 4, 3, 2, 1. Come back, other side. Inhale, lengthen. Exhale, fold towards the left side. Bringing the abdomen closer to the left thigh. Chin closer to the left knee or shin. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And come back. Inhale, lengthen the spine at the center. Exhale, walk forward. Try to keep both the feet flexed, toes pointing up. Staying here for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And slowly walk back. Lovely. Let's bring both the feet in. Coming into an easy cross-legged sitting position. And we'll end with 3 rounds of Brahmari Pranayam. Bring both the hands on either sides of the ears, closing the ears with the thumbs, gently placing the fingers over the eyelids. Take a deep breath in through the nose. And we are going to exhale out through the nose, keeping the mouth closed, making a deep humming sound. Keeping the eyes closed, slowly bring the hands down. We'll end the practice with an Om chant. Inhale. Shanti, Shanti, Shanti. Bring the hands together and let's start rubbing the palms to create heat in the palms. Gently place the palms over the eyelids, feeling the healing heat of the palms through the eyelids. Slowly bring the hands down and open your eyes. So I hope you enjoyed this practice and you can incorporate it in your daily routine. I'll see you with something new soon. Till then, take care, keep practicing, and bye-bye.